Hi, I'm Joel, and I work here at the rooftop garden at the university. Here we've got our tomatoes, our lovely tomatoes. They're a greenhouse variety, apparently quite popular in Europe, and so we thought that we would kind of recreate how they would grow in a greenhouse by making this kind of little tomato tunnel. We're hoping that it's just going to totally overtake it. And right now it's, today is July 12th and they're already a couple feet high. So come back in August and we'll show you what it's like in August. Hopefully it'll be a full tomato tunnel. Hey guys, I'm Joel. Welcome back to the Egg Bio Rooftop Garden. If you had seen some of the previous videos, you'd see our tomato tunnel, right? So I thought I'd show you that right now we have some really nice ripe tomatoes over here that are ready to pick. So you can tell that they're ripe because there's the green ones and then there's the ripe ones that have changed color. So you're just gonna wanna take your hand, pull it right off like that, and you have a nice juicy tomato.